The first tool used is the New File or Move tool. By selecting File and going to New in the drop-down bar, we can select OK and place a background onto Photoshop. Then by going to File and Place, we can select any image, such as the one shown, and select Place and drop it onto the background. Then you can select the cursor tool in the top left and hit Place to put the image onto the background, and it allows you to move it around the background as shown. The Magic Wand tool, which you get to by selecting it in the drop-down menu, allows you to highlight a section of the image that is the same color as the selected area, such as the white background. Now we can go and select a color, and as you see we have a wide variety of colors in the color spectrum, but for now we'll use blue. We can set the color as blue, then go to the Paint tool, which is shown in the left-hand bar, and select the background to color. Because of the Magic Wand tool, the whole background will become blue because it was selected with the Magic Wand tool. The Text tool allows us to type in Photoshop. Simply select it in the left-hand bar, click anywhere on the image or the background as we have here, and begin typing. Here I typed hello, and it is blue because we used blue in the last tool. From our drop-down bar in the middle, we can change the size of the text, and on the right, as you see where the color is, you can change it to any color in the color spectrum. We can change it to this green color, for instance, and in the left drop-down bar we have different fonts, so you can change the font of your typing to fit whatever project you're doing. Now we have the Gradient tool, which provides a color spectrum or a color wave in between two different colors. When we select it here, you can see we'll go up and we have several different gradient options. We'll choose this one now, and by simply dragging a line, you'll begin the gradient on the top, and the gradient will go all the way down to where it ends. So when we release it here, it goes from blue to this brownish color to white. Now with the Shape tool, we can make several different shapes in Photoshop. As you see, we have a blue background here to provide contrast, and we added a layer. Now we'll go to the Shape tool, and we have several different shapes that we can choose from, but for now we'll go with a simple rectangle. So we'll go again into the color spectrum. We'll make it a different color than blue, obviously, for contrast, this greenish color for instance. Simply click and drag and make the shape the dimensions you wish, and here we have it. Now we can select the moving tool and move it. Now we have our paint or pencil and eraser tools. Here we'll use our brush tool and say we'll make a person, and obviously I have some great drawing skills. Yes, perfect. We'll add some legs and some arms. There we go. He's looking pretty happy right now. Now we'll go with our other pencil tool, which can be used to make finer marks, and we'll have to increase the size because I had it too small originally, and we'll give him some great looking hair. You can see that he obviously brushes his hair very well and up with the latest fashion styles. Now we select our eraser tool, and anything within the middle of the eraser tool will be erased. We can make it bigger so that we can erase more at a time, and as you see here, it's very easy for me to erase the whole person.